Hey guys!
Hey guys, I was going to say hello.
Welcome back to our channel, Journey with the Jacksons. Alright, so today we are going to do one more for our car series.
Right, and today it's called
10 things Jamaicans don't like.
Right, or yeah, let's call them stereotypes.
Yeah, because
So
it varies from persons to person. So some Jamaicans may like some of these things that some don't like, but it's more like of a general thing, like some like generalizing. Like most persons don't like this. That sort of stuff.
Right.
Make sense?
So we're gonna be eating some Little Caesar pizza.
Yeah.
Let's show you what it
No
looks
free
like.
ad. No free ad.
Alright.
Yeah. But it's very convenient.
And then we're gonna have some flavored water also, right?
Yeah.
So chat with us.
Alright. So
Chat with us in the comments
yeah.
section.
Yeah. Eat with us. Eat with us if you're eating whatever you're eating.
All right, so let's get into it. So the first one is, I know a number of people, a number of Jamaicans, if you have gone to like maybe university abroad, or maybe even university in the Caribbean or so, or even here university here in Jamaica, or even just you've been in the hotels or just been interacting with tourists, you must have heard this one before. And it's all
Jamaicans are Rasta. Big stereotype. Big stereotype, and some persons can what's the term? A lot of persons have experienced this. They go abroad and somebody say, "Oh, you're Jamaican. I think you'd be a Rasta."
Yeah.
What?
So you just put on an accent?
I don't know.
But anyway.
Are you a Rasta? Yes, I did put on an accent. Yeah, so it's crazy.
There's hardly any pepperoni or whatnot on this, right guys? But whatever. Jamaica this is, right? Anyhow. But
a lot of persons want to think about Jamaica. They think about beaches.
When you reach us again? Them think the first one is that
Rasta, because they think that the Rasta them go out and fish and come in, right?
But bottom line is, not all Jamaicans are Rastas.
Right. Right. Rastafarians account for a small percentage of our population. However, a very significant
I mean,
percentage.
a number of people wear their locks as style, but not practicing the way of life, because Rastafarianism is a way of life, right? Right. So another time we can talk about Rastafarianism some other time, right? But yeah. All right. Another thing is that Jamaicans say "man" after everything.
Yes.
So
I say man?
No, Iron, just because it's a Iron Man. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
no
for some
problem,
persons when they say like, yeah, man, like, they say, well, go on.
Yeah, but not every Jamaican say "man" after everything. That's not.
Big stereotype too. Big stereotype, no. That's a no.
If you're wondering how this tastes, very flavorful.
Yeah, it's okay.
Like pizza.
Yeah. Tastes good.
Jamaica is super dangerous. I tell you guys, this one gets to me. I'm annoyed when even Jamaicans say that Jamaica is like dangerous. The whole world is dangerous, guys. And I mean, yes, Jamaica is small, and yeah, things happen here and blah blah blah, all that jazz, but it's something that happens right around the world, and it's not that we're condoning the things that happen here, but I'm just saying Jamaica is not all bad.
It's not as dangerous as some places. Like, let's put it this way: everywhere I have places that are pretty dangerous, places that you have to be careful where you go and so forth. So it's pretty much the same thing in Jamaica.
Yeah,
that sort of stuff.
Yeah, and Jamaica is not super dangerous like that. It's, there are dangerous parts of Jamaica and stuff like that, but Jamaica
it's not unique to Jamaica.
Right, thank you. That it's not unique to us, right?
And the other one is all Jamaicans run fast.
Why do you think people have that kind of belief though?
Usain Bolt, Merlin Atty,
Shelley and
Fraser Price, and many of our track stars. Because Jamaica has always been big on the athletic platform.
When it comes to sprinting.
Yeah, Olympics. We always dominate Olympics. We always come back home with a lot of medals and so forth. A lot of persons have the perceptions that Jamaicans generally run fast.
Yeah.
Not true.
None at all. Because you can run fast.
You can run fast. Fast enough. Fast enough.
So,
right.
That's not true. That's really not true. And also, not all Jamaicans live near the beach.
Yeah.
I'm so
some
sorry.
persons, you know, once a lot of persons abroad, once they think about Jamaica, yeah, as I said, they think about hut. So not even some properly constructed house, but like a hut, some straw hut, and by the beach side.
Really, it's the 21st century and the internet is very much doing its thing. So why?
We do have a couple huts in some areas along the
coastline for fun.
The coastline, yeah. That's just what it is for.
But
we have never lived in any hut.
Not all Jamaicans live near the beach. Yes, there's a lot of beaches here in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And also there's a lot of rivers too. So like me, I'm from deep rural Portland, and of course I do not live close to the beach.
Right.
Maybe 45 minutes from the beach.
Yeah. I live closer to the beach originally before we were living together. Right now we live very far from the beach.
Right. But of course there are nice beaches to access, and this is yours. There are nice beaches to access, and
yeah,
you can always find a beach to go to and to chill and to enjoy the nice blue salt water
airy ambience
of the Caribbean Sea.
Salty.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Another big one.
Another
big one. Baby, wait now.
Alright, go on.
Jesus. I'm just building up.
I'm looking at the paper, so.
Another big one is, go ahead.
All Jamaicans smoke marijuana. All Jamaicans smoke pot.
Or weed.
Weed. Not true. A very large percentage of Jamaicans have actually never smoked marijuana.
I don't know what the percentage is like, guys.
Yeah, I don't know either, but many Jamaicans have never tried smoking marijuana.
That's your assumption. Right, but
have you ever tried?
No.
I have never tried either.
Because I don't want it to blow my head gasket.
Right, maybe we are very much in the minority.
I don't know what it will do to me.
Some person might say, oh, no lame.
I don't know what it might do to me, so I don't want to try that.
Right.
But not all Jamaicans smoke marijuana or ganja or weed.
Yeah.
All Jamaicans listen to reggae music.
Right. Yeah, so a lot of persons think that all Jamaicans, once you're Jamaican, you listen to reggae. I have had friends who, like when you tell them, you say, what type of reggae you listen to?
What type of reggae?
Yeah. Reggae can be categorized in many different, because it's a branch off to a lot of them, even dancehall and so stem from reggae.
What type of reggae, baby?
Well, I don't know how to put it.
Or probably it could be, what genre of music do you actually listen to?
Yeah. Right.
So, is it that you listen to reggae or to hip hop? Well, Jamaicans listen to a vast
array of music.
Yeah, so we listen to pop, reggae,
R&B, souls,
hip hop,
everything,
dancehall,
rock,
gospel, definitely,
metal.
Which one your metal?
Yeah, actually I have one.
Instruments.
No man.
Instrumentals.
No, I have one name metal. But take it from me.
Alright, yeah, I'm going with it. Alright, Mr. Metal.
Anyways, Alright.
I don't know metal.
Alright. You don't know what you don't know.
It's true. Alright. I stand corrected. Alright, guys. So, yes, we were saying not all Jamaicans listen to reggae at all.
Right.
Like a number of people listen to. I mean, we like reggae. It's fun and yeah.
I love reggae. Reggae is a must for us.
Yeah, but we definitely are lovers of gospel too. And this guy's like some amount of dancehall and but yeah, that's all Jamaicans are hustlers.
We are not all hustlers.
In what sense?
I think when they think that all Jamaicans are hustlers, what do you think that mean though?
Like you always try to find a way to make money. You always try to maybe like come up with some cunning little ways to get money. You always, maybe some little trickery thing or.
Not true. Well, I would have to categorize hustling into two sections. One, illegal hustling. Or one that maybe
guys look how shame by the pizza. Go get by the pizza.
Right. So alright. So if hustling can be in a positive way where somebody's trying some creative ways to make some money, also some money. Yeah, I strongly support that and recommend that. But if it's hustling in a negative sense to take advantage of somebody, that's a no-no. That's bad. Right. So
that's the hustling that
I don't know which hustling this one is referring to.
But if it's the negative hustling part of it, whatnot, then not all Jamaicans are like that. No. You have Jamaicans who just simply go to their 9-to-5s and go to their houses, and that's that.
Yeah.
Right? They care zero about anything else.
They're like robots.
Oh my gosh, a big one. When I used to interact with people from different countries, because of a previous job that I used, they thought we did not speak English. Oh,
okay. Yes, we do speak English, and we do speak standard English, and we speak fluent English.
Like the people in Jamaica like to say, the English teachers in Jamaica like to say the Queen's English.
No, I don't believe in that. I don't think the Queen speaks standard English.
So you're saying not Jamaicans speak English? That's our formal language.
Yeah. Patois, which comprises of mostly English, mixed with French, Spanish,
or African.
Yeah. So yeah, our native tongues. So it's a mixture. So sometimes we break out in a patois and we talk patois, but it is actually broken English, because it is quick though. So when you are speaking to a lot of persons from abroad, they won't get a lot of what you're saying. But if you were supposed to speak slowly, a majority of them would understand or get the concept of what you're saying.
Yeah, maybe
yeah, because to me it's the quickness of the patois that why a lot of persons don't get what we're saying, like persons who only speak English.
Alright. So if you're from another country or another continent, just know that Jamaicans, we speak English, and we have a mother tongue that we call patois, which is broken English, right?
And we love it.
And yes, if you come to Jamaica, you'll hear people talking on the road, and it most times will be in patois, but our formal language is English, right? So in the classroom setting, or if you're at a formal function or so forth, you'll hear English, right? So Jamaicans have the ability to speak English. All right, so the next one and to understand it. So the next one is that Jamaicans are, oh my gosh, this one definitely is not true. Jamaicans are lazy and are looking for handouts.
Is that a general perception?
For who? Of Jamaicans?
No,
It's
like.
a stereotype. That's what I
This
see here.
hard-working country. This hard-working people. I don't think. Well, it must be a very small percentage of persons who actually think that Jamaicans are generally lazy and are looking for a handout.
I don't really know what percentage it is, but I mean, I see why why it could be a stereotype, because oftentimes Jamaicans would probably see and say, "Yo, come give me a money," or if they see tourists, the way they react. But it's, you know, it's just not the
well, some of us are beggy. Some of us beggy.
But it's really just not the whole. That's not the basis of a number or of many Jamaicans or majority of Jamaicans.
Right.
I don't think this is really not true. A lot of Jamaicans are not lazy, and they're not just looking for handouts, because Jamaicans, a lot of them, they're so rude, they're feisty or feisty, if you pronounce it, yeah. And so
very proud people,
and they don't want to be getting anything from people, and then, you know, people talk about it or cuss them out.
You know what I think that happens sometimes? You ever the saying, first impression last.
So
maybe some person have come across a Jamaican who like ask them for money, like half the battle or something like that, to some persons might say, why Jamaican people beggy, which is stereotyping, but it is what it is.
So for yourself, babe, have you ever experienced any of these stereotypes?
I think the ganja. I've never experienced smoking ganja, but persons thinking that I smoke marijuana. Nothing is wrong if you like marijuana. That's your preference.
Yeah. I don't. For me personally, guys, I don't remember if I've ever had any kind of encounter with people, you know, stereotyping me. Maybe just the whole Rastafarianism thing. Maybe just that.
And the Yemen too.
But that was it. Nothing else. I don't know, people may have seen us or seen me and probably would have thought it, but not have been forward enough to say it. But whatever, I'm Jamaican. I love being Jamaican. To all you Jamaicans out there, big up on yourself. If you are now at this if you have watched our video until this point, thank you so much, guys, for tuning into us, and definitely
eating pizza with us.
Right. And definitely, if it is that you have experienced any of these, simply tell us of your experience down below.
Right in the comment section.
So hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and share and comment. And thank you so much for tuning in to us. Remember, we're looking forward to hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next journey.
Bye.